Hello, everybody. This is going to be my first time doing an unboxing on YouTube. Just figured I'd try and grow our community on Facebook and see what you guys got. These four boxes each have different treasures in them, and they're not going to be much, but just something to think about, something to consider. The very first box is from Gracie and Shelby Dunlap. That is, I'm going to open it this way so that way we don't share their information with you unless they want you to share their information with them. But they come off Facebook. They're Constant Coins and Collectibles, also GT Numismatics on Facebook. They are genuine people. They're amazing, and if you get an opportunity to deal with them, I would highly suggest it. So let's take a look and see what we got. I'm gonna use my bread knife to open these boxes. It works really well for what I do. So just a couple of small things in here that I bought from them, and it was truly appreciated the way they worked with me. Let's see what we got. Get my scissors out. I also have scissors on location to help us out through this process. And let's see what we got in here. I know I got just a couple of things in here that are really cool, and I hope you guys like them. Look, shiny yellow stuff. Always got to enjoy that shiny yellow stuff. Let's see what's in here. I know one of them is pretty hard to get and you don't ever see these things, you know? So let's take a look and see what we got in here. See which one is which. So this is the one I was talking about. It is a Philippine coin from 1863. And although it has damage on it, these things are just, you don't ever see them. And so when they showed it to me, I just like, I can't pass it up. Take a look at that beautiful coin right there. Isn't it amazing? It is a 1 peso from the Philippines during the Civil War era, of all things. Just gorgeous, amazing. I'm also going to post this on Facebook, and that way they get some shout outs too. But I just love this thing. Putting this away in a special place, and like I said, even though it has its known damage on it, I'm okay with that. I bought it for what it is, and I paid what I was comfortable paying for it. And thank you, Shelby and Gracie, for working with me on that. I really appreciate it. Always appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best. Best of the best. And look at that, a note from Gracie. And it has something in there. I can't tell what it is exactly. But they also send a Bible verse to go along with it. I believe it's a gram of silver of some sort. I'll have to check it out later. And I'll check out the Bible verse later. They're awesome. Really love you guys. You guys are the best. And then we got this cool / ugly South Africa coin. I don't know. I think it's cool. 2 rand. I was really mainly interested in it because that's my birth year, 1966. So 2 rand and 1966. I always forget that these flip in the medallic method on the foreign coins. So only 10K made. I think that's pretty cool. 2 rand, South Africa, 1966. Look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool. I love it. Next one is from also Facebook. This is going to be a pretty fantastic coin, honestly. Also, he does business on eBay as Monster Coins. I think it's in here. Yeah, it must be in there. Monster Coins. And let's see what we have in here. I think it's going to be a pretty fantastic coin. Let's see if we can open this thing up. Pretty rare coin, as a matter of fact, honestly. It's not just an awesome coin. It's a super rare coin, and it's something I've been looking for a while. These are not easy to come by. There's also a card or something in there. It is a PCGS coin, and it has a card of his in there. I won't show that off, but this, if you've never seen one, is a matte-proof Lincoln. The colors on it are amazing. I have a almost complete run of these. I need a 1915 and I need a 1909 VDB, but those will be hard to come by. 1914 Proof 64 brown, but I know you can't see all the colors in it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Been looking for one for a while and had a little extra cash, and this thing happened to fall in the right place at the right time. So thank you for working with me on that, Mr. Monster Coins. Maybe you can get some extra business out of that. I hope you do. Let's put this next one. Where's this next one coming from? This is also from Facebook. I think I bought this off of Gold Bugs on Facebook. This is Jayesh, and it is Regal Coins, Regal Incorporated out of Chicago. Right. You know, guys don't mind the way I'm opening these boxes, but I've done lots of them like this. And this is just a nice little cool gold coin, but as you can see, the packaging is amazing. Well done. Appreciate that. Let's get some scissors on this. Get this thing sliced open. It's just going to be one item, but it's something I need for my set that I'm running right now. I'm running a Mexican gold set, and I was in need of a 10 peso. So Mr. Jayesh worked with me on getting this out, and I greatly appreciate him for doing that. Oh, look at that. Cool little pouch it comes in. Regal Jewels out of Chicago. And there we go. Got our 10 peso gold right there. Very cool piece. Even though it's not huge, less than the size of a quarter, about the size of a quarter. Tell you, these things carry some little heft to them. 1959, 10 peso gold. And on the edge, it has writing as well. I believe it says 10 pesos on it. So really super cool coin. Going to look great in my black plastic capital holder. And I will enjoy this for a long time to come. Thank you so much, Jayesh. Great packaging, by the way. This last one comes from Mr. Patrick Harrell. He is also off Facebook. And it is just a single coin. Oh man, he put a whole bunch of junk in there. Not junk, but packing material. He put some packing material in there, that's for darn sure. And then he packaged it in this blue bubble wrapper. So let's see what we got in here. Man, I can't believe I've been on for 8 minutes. Can you believe that? I can't believe it. Just a full box unboxing. And it has my invoice in there. And let's see what we got in here. It looks like I got one thing in here. And that is a gold Helvetia. I guess they call those that way. But it is, let's see if we can see the other side. It is a 20 franc gold. These are awesome. In case you guys have never dealt with these or bought these before, I think they're super cool. And they don't carry a super high premium. So if you can get one of these for your collection and be about +1, +2, +3 on spot on that, that's not a bad deal, honestly. And cool little edge right there to show you that gold hasn't been flecked off of that. Super cool. Hope you enjoyed. Let's go recap on this. The 20 franc. We got a 20 franc today. We also have the 10 peso gold, 1959. We added a 2 rand to that. Beautiful thing. Look at that gorgeous piece. Oh, wrong way to flip it. 2 rand, South Africa. We also had the 1863 1 peso gold. Beautiful. Just and really happy to have this in my collection. And then we added the 1914 Proof 64 Brown from Monster Coins. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. I hope to do some more of these in the near future and see what we get. Y'all enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by.